So you can see through it.
There's the door. And walk in. This is the little room.
Take a video here.
Okay. There's Dad standing underneath the ceiling fan. And there's the big window. Looking out. Side. The nice 1980s mirror. And then this is the living room. And Dad's standing in the dining room, and then right here is where you walk into the bedrooms off to the side. It's a nice brown carpet in here. And the desk. And it's like TV stuff. TV boxes. And stuff that they're leaving on the walls. And I guess that takes you up to the attic,
yeah.
But I don't think you can see it because it's dark. And here's the little bathroom. I'll just say over the door go storage, which I don't think you can see because I can barely see. And the commode, which is going to be a pretty tight area. And the bathroom. Yeah, there's some bugs in there, but it needs clean. And let's go to the next bedroom. And here's the next bedroom. Pretty decent size.
But no closets.
Yeah, no closet, but that's okay.
You use this other room for closets.
Yeah.
Storage.
And
Over
then,
there.
yeah. And here is the dining room. Ceiling fan. And the little bar thing that he's made. And I guess this is stuff they're taking.
Who knows?
I don't know. I don't want their
Blow dryer.
the dough dryer. Or wooden fruit.
Yeah, it's been
And
locked
here's
up.
the heater. Yeah. And here's the kitchen. And the ceiling looks better.
Well, okay.
The stove.
You started with it. Go ahead.
And the cabinets. Nice little cabinets. Ooh, a candy dish.
And showing a real old timey fuse box, but it's covered up with a piece of.
Covered up with wallpaper.
Yeah, that'll have to be.
God, no, I have to figure that out.
Yeah. Cabinets are in good shape.
Yeah.
Good, like new cabinets.
Good cabinets. Somebody's a NASCAR fan, Mark Martin. Dishes. And bottom cabinets. Trash can.
And a refrigerator.
And your refrigerator, so if there's anything.
No.
Nothing in there.
It's pretty clean, so
Yeah.
it's not. It doesn't have any smell to it.
Yeah. And the doorway to the kitchen is pretty big.
Yeah.
You might have to duck your head.
You have to duck your head on a lot of stuff.
And there's the kitchen door. Little peephole. Like a insane asylum door. People to peek in. I'll show you this way. So it's a pretty good sized kitchen.
Yeah.
Pretty good size. Dad did a pretty decent job on the ceiling.
And what in ceiling is it?
And I mean, you can see Dad standing there. It's got pretty high ceilings.
Yeah.
And the wallpaper.
If you use good paint, you have to put primer on it.
Here's the backyard. No steps, no deck. But see, that upper part will have to be removed because you probably hit your head. Mom's already claiming the office is a toy room. Nice light switch. The wood paneling.
It'll need rewiring.
And poor Todd cannot walk through here.
The ceiling
Yeah,
fan's
we
so
took
low.
pictures of me standing under it.
We'll have to rearrange those.
Well, yeah, you can put regular light fixtures in there.
I say hi, Daddy. Daddy. Ah. Say hi.
Call for Dad.
Dad.
Hi, Dad. Oh, they left you stuff to decorate with, too.
That's what we were wondering if they were leaving it or taking it.
It was here. That's probably just.
It's been here since day one.
No.
Nobody wants that stuff. That's 30-year-old home interior.
And 30-year-old blow dryer.
Blow dryer, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't you grab that. Don't you grab that.
Wood.
And Jill could hang her clothes out in the clothesline.
Yeah, got a clothesline, dry clothesline. Have to go get a wringer washer.
Yeah. There's a washing machine out there in that little building.
I don't know, there might be. Maybe washer and dryer, because that's where the water heater's at, it's out there.
Yeah.
But you can get those point-of-use water heaters
Yeah.
that you don't have to have a tank or anything.
Take these down, put them in the fireplace. That was both two-sided fireplace. Gas log. It looked good.
Yeah.
So there was that. You could figure out all kinds
Or
of stuff.
like when your fireplaces are looking at.
Yeah, one of those like stove-like
Yeah, we
fireplaces.
was looking at some at Lowe's the other day.
See, the windows are high on the door. Look out the front door again. Nice patio furniture.
Don't look like it.
Oh, there's a ladder on the tree.
They
There's a
got
lot.
one come up shaking the apple
Apples.
trees for the deer.
Deer.
It's in the yard.
Oh,
He said he's seen deer and bear in the yard.
wow.